Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm decorating my monthly for April. I decided to pull out an older sticker book that I have, and it's still available if you're interested in purchasing. It is from Live Love Posh. It is Chic Crafter. This one's a really cute, fun crafting sticker book. I really didn't have a theme for this month. I could have done like April showers or something like that, but we're an Easter kind of spread, but I want to just do a crafty kind of spread. And I really like this theme right here. Actually, it matches my nails, so didn't realize that until right now. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to pull the pages out. It's going to be a purpley spread. And then I have purple boxes from Jojo. So that is the plan for this spread. And I'm just going to take the pages out and get started with this spread. Oh, and I need to take all of these sticky notes off. I'm actually going to put them in the front right here, so that way I know the days that I need to put a box. Oh, 20th, 26. Actually, my plans kind of changed a little bit, so I know what I need to change, and then I can put that on the spread. Okay, so let's do some flowers on this corner. I'll put flowers down first. More flowers. Do them over here. And okay, I'm gonna put boxes down, and then I'll know where I can put, then I'll be able to tell where I can put more flowers. Okay, so I can use, I think this one, it's kind of dark. I'm just gonna focus on this one. Okay, it's not a perfect match, but it's purple, so that's all that matters. So a sidebar sticker, oops. And then the boxes. So I have the first, I'm putting a box here. Oh, this is too big, wrong box. I need a smaller one. This size is good. Alright, so this one here, that takes care of this one. I need a box here. Takes care of this one. Okay, I have a Disney reservation here, but I think I'm canceling it since it's too close to this Disney trip. So I'm probably gonna cancel this one. I'm gonna write on here, cancel. Okay, and then I'll put that back on my planner so I remember to do that. And then I'll do a box here for taxes due. Oh yeah, I'm writing, I want to write the stuff in. I always forget that now I write the stuff in the boxes during this video. So Disneyland with Natasha and Christopher. And then this one is no work. Well, no work, but I have work I have to do here at home. And then this day is taxes due. All right, that takes care of this one. The 20th is Easter. So put a sticker here. Easter. And then I have another Disney reservation here. I actually need to cancel this one too. Okay, cancel this one. I just make reservations. I try to get the Saturdays because that's when I prefer to go, because I have the day off from work and then I have a day on Sunday to recover from the trip. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna put a box here, sorry. But I'm gonna put one here. I am now going on the 30th for my nephew's birthday. So Jacob's birthday, and it's a Disney day. Yeah, I'm gonna take the day off of work so I can go, and then I'm gonna cancel this one. So yeah, I just make reservations because if you don't, they get blocked up and blocked out, and then you can't go, even though I have a pass. They only have certain amount of reservations for pass holders, and then you won't be able to go if you don't get a reservation. So I try to get ahead of it and make reservations like a few months in advance when I can. And yeah. So now that I got just those important things down, now my weekends are a little bit more free. I'm just gonna start putting boxes down, or stickers down, wherever they look good. Put one over here. I'll just put it here. I'm not gonna even lift the sticker up because lifting the sticker up is always a problem sometimes. Let's put a little plant on top of these. I'll put one here. I'm just gonna put stickers around, and then I'm gonna grab washi and then some quotes, and then that'll be it. Oh, you know what? Let me put this. Yeah. I don't know where I'm gonna put that. Okay. So I'm gonna put those back on my planner so I can cancel those two. Some washi. I really like these patterned ones. So I'll just stick these around. And if something were to come up like later in the month, I could just put a box over it and you know, put my plants. But for now, it's all empty space right now for me to just put stuff on top of. Oh, you know what? There are quotes in here. So I could put these. Okay, I have Find Beauty and Simplicity. And I'm gonna grab some washi in a bit. This one says, I'm not a hoarder, I'm a collector of crafting supplies. Sounds good to me. Okay. More flowers. I'll do these flowers, so I haven't got these. Some little ones here and there. These little ones. Let's see. Put a blue flower over here. Okay, it's looking good. I'm gonna grab some washi. I'm trying to find, I think this purple. It's got like a polka dot in it. This one's cute. Oh, and then I got this one too. Like a little heart. I'm gonna do these two. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them down wherever I feel they should go. So some here. I'll do this on the top and bottom, and then I'll put the heart one inside. Oh, you know where I'm gonna put those notes? So these little notes that I made to cancel my subscription, I'm gonna put them over here because that's usually where I put things I need to get done for the month. So I'm gonna write that in there. Once I'm done with washi. Okay, so this one has, oh, I'm almost out of this one. It's got like a cute little heart or little pattern going through it in purples. My favorite color when I was younger used to be purple. Such a good color. Oop. Now it's green, which actually there's green in this one. I might move this sticker up. Move this up a bit. I'm super late doing this spread. I got sick and then things have just been busy, so. But still usable, still a good monthly spread. All right, so right over here, I'm gonna write cancel. Yeah, cancel. Disney reservations. That was the 26th and the 12th. Okay, 12th and 26th. Okay, so I need to cancel those since my dates changed. I'll take care of that. Looks cute, but I'm gonna add more stuff. Okay, we got paint brushes, and then I need to put something here because it's like, you know, a little on its own over there. Put a little paintbrush there. Okay, got a bunch of stickers here. Little highlighters, some more washi. Do some washi. Yeah, I like that. Do it this way. Let's do some washi rolls here. And I have these paintings, but I like them together and I don't really have space to put them together. I want this little fan of swatches. Can I put that somewhere? No. Okay, it's not really working. So let me go back into the quotes. Let's see if there's a quote I can put here. There's all these. I like the style of like the simple ones more, but I might have to just grab one of these. I feel like it doesn't, I don't like the style. I would put this one down, but I really don't believe in this. Crafting is my way of saying I love you with glue and glitter. I can't stand glitter. Can't stand glitter. I remember one time I bought like any Christmas stuff. I mean, I'm slowly getting rid of my like glitter ornaments, but those aren't too bad. But I bought some tree branches, like Halloween branches at Dollar Tree, and they were filled with glitter, like the glitter that just comes off everywhere. It's like there's so much fall off on those things. Sometimes if it's good, it stays, but I don't want glitter everywhere. So I like took the time and I took off all that glitter. It was such a mess, but I was able to, like, you know, keep it contained, a contained mess, just to get all this glitter off of these branches, because I love the branches. The branches were just, you know, they had spooky black kind of branches for Halloween. But no, I did not want that glitter falling off everywhere, so I had to get rid of it. So now moving forward, I just don't buy things with glitter anymore on it. I try my best not to. And it's hard because during Christmas, during holidays, Christmas, Halloween, which are my favorites to decorate for, there's just so much glitter on everything. I don't like glitter. I don't like it. So I don't want to put that quote because it would be a lie on my planner. And I don't want to lie on my planner. I don't know if I like that. I cut it at a weird angle and I don't like it. Okay, so I'm gonna go find some other quotes to fill in some of these spots. Found another book, which I think came out around this, with this book. It's similar, so, but it's planning. The only thing is, it doesn't have the exact like size ones that I want to use, but I did find this one and I kind of want to use it, so in a different spot. So this one says, plan your work, work your plan. Plan your work, work your plan. Try my best to do that, but life has been getting in the way of a lot of plans. Okay, I'm gonna put hashtag planner life. Okay. So I'm still trying to figure out this situation. Oh, you know what? Maybe I will stick one of these. What if I just stick this here? Does this look odd if I do this? I don't know. I guess it's fine. Just sticking things everywhere because I like the stickers. So I like these little page flags. I'll stick a brush, some of this highlighters. Why not? We'll stick highlighters. Where are the highlighters gonna go? We'll stick them here. Although I feel like I need green over here. I don't have a lot of green over here. So they will go randomly there. Sounds good. I do have a little, I love succulents. So I'll just stick a succulent on the page. Just fill it up with stuff. Just to get some green over here. Okay. I think that's it. I think it looks cute. Yeah. That's cute. I'll put this flower here. All right, so that's gonna be it. I used a couple books. Oops. Oh, my mess that you're not supposed to see. I don't even know if it came in camera, but whatever. So that's gonna be my spread. Looks really cute. I love the colors. Love the colors. So yeah, that is gonna be my spread. I was able to use a few books. I have Chic Planner, Chic Crafter, and Purple Boxes, and more to make this spread. And these are all available, I believe. At least these are. This might be. Definitely check them out though. They're great shops. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.